Hey guys, Wayne here from H2TechVideos. Today I'm going to be going over some hidden features of the new LG Stylo 4. But first, go to Instagram and follow us guys, because we've got a bunch of monthly giveaways coming and we want to make sure you guys are connected with all these great giveaways. We just passed 100,000 subscribers, so we want to reward you with some free stuff. For our first hidden feature, it's going to be a feature called Content Lock. It's going to allow you to lock your gallery files or your memo files. Let me show you how to set it up. So first we're going to go to the settings, and under the general tab, go to lock screen and security, and then come all the way down to content lock right here. And so I've already set up a pin, so I'm just going to put that pin in, but here's where you would set up the pin. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is actually what yours will look like first, and you'll hit set lock. You can decide if it's a pin or a pattern, and then just set your number. So I'm just gonna do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so once that's set up, we're gonna go home, go to our gallery, and we're gonna find some pictures to lock. So tap on this album here. And now I'm gonna go to the upper right corner, click on the 3 dots, and I'm gonna select lock. Select all the pictures you want to lock, and then come down and hit lock. Hit set. It says a lock must be set before you lock any files. Okay, so set, put in your code that we just set up. Now you have to associate it with an account. So I'm gonna do this account. And after that, they're locked. So when you go to your gallery, you won't see those photos at all. And the only way to see them is upper right corner, 3 dots again, show locked files. So we'll put our code in. And now we can see our locked files. So you can basically have a separate set of albums or photos that are locked that you can only see if you know to go to show locked files, and you also have that pin code. So this is an easy way to just keep people out of your photos and out of your business. So that's our first hidden feature right there. Our second one is going to be a really cool feature that, to be honest, LG stole from Samsung, but I'm sure Samsung probably stole it from someone else before them. However, it's an awesome feature you're going to want to use when that battery gets a little low. And it's going to be maximum battery saver mode. So just swipe down from the top, swipe down again. Now you're going to have this option here. This is your battery saver extended. If you tap this, it will put the phone in like a battery saver mode. But if you hold down on the button, you can actually get to the maximum battery saver mode. And this is the one you're gonna want to use when your phone is super low. We're talking like you're on 10% and you need your phone to be on for the next 3 hours. This is the mode that you're gonna put it on. And it's gonna make a lot of tweaks and adjustments to the phone. It's gonna turn off Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. It's gonna black out your background. So like you won't even see your wallpaper. All you're gonna see is just a black background. But the cool thing is you still have access to use the phone just about like you normally do. So like I can still go to Instagram and I can still, you know, go through here. You know, the Samsung one is a little bit more aggressive. So when you're in this mode, like you only have access to certain apps on the phone. This one, it looks like you're able to access just about every app that's already on the phone, but it's making so many background tweaks and turning so many things off that your battery is going to stretch and last a lot longer. So I just want to show you this really quickly. If we hold on that again, that battery saver extended, it actually will tell you down here how long it actually is going to extend your battery. Now, the phone right now is on 85%, so the numbers are really up there. So it would be wise to do this again when the phone is on 10%, so you can actually see what the numbers look like. But for my phone being on 85%, this is saying that it could stretch the battery up to 378 hours, which is insane. I mean, we're talking about like that's a couple of weeks. So this is just a really great option when your battery is low. Maybe you forgot to charge it, you didn't bring a charger, whatever. This will put your phone in a mode where it's kind of restricting a lot of your background apps to make sure that your phone is going to stay on and you'll be able to continue to use it. And when you're ready to turn it off, we're just going to hit turn off. Or you would just swipe down and then just tap on the battery saver mode, and then it would turn itself off. So that's our second hidden feature. It's sort of in plain sight, but again, if you didn't know to hold down on it instead of just tap it, you would have probably never seen that was there. So I wanted to point that out. Our next hidden feature is an oldie but a goodie. You're gonna see this on a lot of phones, and I always have this as a hidden feature because so many people just don't know about it, but it is the quick launch camera. When your phone is off and you have a photo opportunity, all you have to do is double tap on the volume down button and it'll automatically turn your phone on and it'll launch the camera. So this is a really great feature to get to your camera super quick. It's just one command, just double tap, volume down, phone turns on, camera is ready, you can take your pictures. So I always use that feature on my Galaxy phones, and I'm glad that LG has added it as well because it's a very useful feature to use. All right guys, our next hidden feature is going to be a really cool feature that takes advantage of the facial recognition, and it's a feature that actually the iPhone X is known for and a lot of people use, and it's simply being able to raise your phone. So when your phone is off, you can raise it up, and now I know you can't see the phone, but this is a bit hard to demonstrate in the video, but I'm going to talk you through it right now. So your phone is down, your phone is off, you want to use it, all you're going to do is raise it up to your face. The screen is going to turn on and it's going to automatically unlock the phone using your face. Now, to turn this on, we're going to go to our settings and you're going to go to lock screen and security, and we're going to go to facial recognition. So it will ask you to put in whatever your PIN is. If you haven't set yours up yet, it will have you make a PIN first. Then you'll have to program your face into the phone. Once you have your face programmed, then you can turn on facial recognition in the first place. Then you want to make sure that you go to advanced and allow when screen is off, raise the phone in front of your face to unlock. As long as this is turned on, if your phone is on a table or even just sitting in your hand and it's off, all you have to do is raise the phone up to your face and it's going to unlock the phone for you. You don't have to use the fingerprint scanner or the power button or any pins. It's just going to automatically turn itself on. It's a very useful feature. Even on my iPhone X, I didn't think I would use it very often, and I tend to use it a lot more just because it's very convenient. So you now can do it with your Stylo 4. And now our final hidden feature for this video, and we have more coming, FYI, so don't get sad, is a feature, again, stolen from other smartphones, but a very useful feature that's called smart cleaning. Now you're gonna go to your settings, and it's under general and extensions. You're gonna go to smart cleaning. Now this is a great feature you're gonna wanna go to and use every couple of days, to be honest, because it's gonna keep your phone void of a lot of just excess stuff you don't need, and it's going to keep it running quicker. You open up this setting, it's going to show you how much internal storage you have, how much memory your phone is using, and what you're going to do is just hit optimize phone. That's it. And what it's going to do is it's going to go through and delete unnecessary files. It's going to stop apps from running in the background that have been running for a while, maybe you forgot to close. And the whole goal is that it's just going to allow your phone to run smoother and quicker. So phones over time tend to slow down because, you know, we don't do any type of cleaning, or you might download one of those cleaning apps and guess what? They had a virus in it. So it's always better to use a cleaning app that is built stock into the phone versus downloading a third-party one, because it seems like the third-party ones are not as reliable as they should be. So this is great. We just did our clean. We have a lot more memory available, and we were able to shed down a little bit of the storage. So definitely a plus there. So make sure you take advantage of using your smart cleaning. This has been the hidden features for the LG Stylo 4. We are working on more hidden features as well, so keep an eye out for that. And we're going to be posting a tips and tricks video coming very soon as well. So hit that subscribe button. Hopefully at the beginning of the video you went to Instagram and you went to go follow us, and if you didn't, stop and do it right now, because again, we've got some great giveaways coming and we want you to know when our new videos are posted. So thanks again for watching, guys. Take care and have a good one.